Welcome back for second half action. We got Lee Academy in the white, Notre Dame Prep in the black. Lee Academy ball. We have Lee Academy 38, Notre Dame Prep 34. Shot's no good, ripped away from Lee Academy. And on the drive, the dish, and the putback's no good. Notre Dame calls out the play. I'll pass it around, jab step, jump shot's no good. Rebound out of bounds, it'll be Lee ball. Nice spin move. Take, nothing there. Passed out. 24 for 3. Actually, it's a long 2.
Lee basket by number 24, Rashard Andrews.
Andrews 6'6", from Jamaica, New York. And his layup's no good. Putback attempt is rejected by number 33, Marshall. Mundo on the drive. He kicks it out. 21's 3 is no good. Rebound Marshall. He'll go back up with it. He's blocked. And Foster with the ball. Three-point shot is good by number 13.
Number 13, Westbrook of Lee.
Number 13, Westbrook. Three-point shot is no good by Notre Dame. Rebound Lee. Foster with the ball. Claxton with the ball. Three-point shot by Foster is no good. Rebound by Mundy. He'll take it up. He pushed off, and the ref saw it. Pushed off with his off arm. The go ball will be back to Lee Academy. Kick out. Three-point shot is good by Andrews. And Lee near steal, and we have a jump ball. Possession arrow go to Notre Dame. And Notre Dame will call a timeout. Set something up as Lee Academy applies the full court pressure. And the score right now is 46 Lee Academy, 34 Notre Dame. And 16 minutes and 46 seconds left in the second half. As this is our final game of a 4-day National Prep School Invitational here at Rhode Island College, Providence, Rhode Island. This has been a good venue. We've had over 30 Division I college scouts here. Looking at the talent. And there's a foul on Andrews as he reaches in.
Lee foul 24, Rashard Andrews. That's his second personal foul. That is team foul number 1 this half.
Notre Dame finally breaks that pressure. Mundy, the ball. Driving, nice hang time right there by number 33, Marshall. He's able to put it in. The drive. Dish back outside. Andrews unable to hit. Rebound fought for. Comes up to Marshall. Notre Dame swing it around. Marshall takes a three-point shot, and it's good. Marshall showing his versatility. He's able to get inside, get some rebounds. Also shoot from the outside. Down low, the Academy. Ball's tipped back out. Also down low. And there's an offensive foul on number 34, Rebello.
Lead foul 34, Marcelo Deschamps Rebello. That's his first personal foul, team second.
And Notre Dame's Marshall with the ball. He's dribbling around. He spins. He steps back. And he is called for traveling.
Late ball. Substitution. Number 50, Tyree Robinson.
Robinson checks back in the game for
Replacing Munda.
Monday. Foster drives baseline. Ball goes down low. Gets back to number 13. His shot is up and good. Nice use of the left hand there.
Lead basket by number 13.
Westbrook. The Academy applying lots of pressure, and it's deflected out of bounds.
Good try, Michael. Thank you.
It'll go
Oh, Uriah's going for it too.
to Notre Dame.
Who's gonna get it? Uriah's got it. Yay! They went from Uriah to Michael to Uriah. Teamwork at its finest.
Nice drive by number
Notre
23.
Dame with basket by number 33.
And Marshall with the putback.
Marshall.
Some shot no good. Rebound Marshall. Tipped away and stolen. Foster has it. He'll shoot the three in the corner, and he hits it. Number 10 on the attack for Notre Dame. Marshall for another three. No good. Ball tipped around. Comes Notre Dame. And number 50 dunks the ball. Foster, no. Back number 15. He's tossed out of bounds though by number 30. It'll stay the Academy ball.
Substitution for Notre Dame Prep in the game number 12, Matt Latelle. Also with number 14, Stefan Zivchevich. That's the Lee substitution. Lee Academy ball along the baseline.
Deep three by Foster. Doesn't hit the rim. The save, he's out of bounds. Number 15. Ba. Tap with the ball. Out to Marshall. Marshall drives. He hangs. And he gets it to go.
Notre Dame Prep basket by number 33, Gerald Marshall.
Claxley on the drive, kicks it out to Foster. Foster's floater is rejected. Number 10 for 3, no good. Rebound Ba, gives it to Foster. Over to Claxley. Andrews, floater's no good. I'm sorry, that was Zechovic. And good follow there by Tap.
30-second timeout lead.
And 9 minutes and 48 seconds left in the second half. Lee Academy 51, Notre Dame 47. And it'll be Lee Academy ball. And Claxley will bring the ball up for Lee Academy. And it looks like Notre Dame will be in a 2-3 zone. So Lee will try to get in the gaps of that. Lee Academy swinging the ball around. Cross-court pass to number 11. Back to Claxley, drives baseline. His floater's up, and it's good. It's a nice drive by Claxley. Outlet pass to number 24. Shot is up and good. Number 11 thought about it. And Zechovic is fouled. Stay Lee Academy ball.
In the game, the lead number 24.
Zechovic goes out. Number 24, Andrews, comes in for Lee Academy. Nice inbound play there. Claxley over to Foster. Goes down low. Back to Andrews. His shot is up. And the follow putback. Follow putback will not count. They say the ball was in the cylinder at the time.
Offensive basket interference.
Three-point try is no good. Rebound brought down by Lee. Foster in the corner. Claxley for the long three, and it's good. So the score now is Lee 58, Notre Dame 49. We got a kick ball, stay Notre Dame ball. Back in the corner, 24 drives baseline. He goes up and under, no good. Ball tipped around, comes to Foster. And his pass is intercepted. Notre Dame prep passes the ball around the perimeter. Tap with the ball, he calls out a play. Shot is no good. Rebound fought for by number 24. Number 10, straightaway three, no good. Rebound Foster. Claxley at the top of the key, drives. He'll shoot now. Shot's no good. Rebound number 50. Robinson. Number 10 there with the offensive rebound putback.
Basket by K.J. Pritchard.
Stolen back by Lee Academy. Foster comes up with the ball. He tries to go in the middle, stolen by Notre Dame. Goes in all the way, and another layup by number 10 by Notre Dame. Cross-court pass. Side to Andrews. He goes up and he's rejected. Nice drop off and unable to hit the layup. The foul is good by Robinson though. And Lee Academy will call a timeout. 5 minutes, 30 seconds left in the second half. 58 Lee Academy. Notre Dame Prep 55. And we'll take a timeout as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Here is the all-invitational team for the 15th Annual National Prep School Invitational. Representing Cushing, Caleb Joseph. Representing Whistler Academy, Ryan Castro. Representing St. John's Northwest Military Academy, Trevor Thompson. Representing Kingdom Prep, Frederick Edmond. Representing Alma, Chris Boucher. Representing New Hampton, Noah Vonte. Representing Notre Dame Prep, Jalen Bradley. Representing St. Thomas More, Dwayne Notice. Representing Brewster, Elijah.
And welcome back, Lee Academy ball. They'll take it up.
Elijah Macon, representing Vermont Academy, Richard Williams. Representing Tilton, Wayne Silden. Representing North Vietnam Herman, Josh Hurley.
Stolen again by Notre Dame.
Outstanding player in just a moment. And the most outstanding player, the 15th NPSI from St. John's Northwest Military Academy, Wisconsin, Javon Thomas. Congratulations, gentlemen. You have been selected as the 15th NPSI All-Invitational Team.
Notre Dame dribbles the ball, down just 3. Lundy with the ball, number 20 for 3, no good. Big rebound there by Ba. Foster cross-court pass. 33 drives baseline, he goes up, no foul called. Notre Dame comes up with the ball. Outlet pass to Mundy. When he thought about going baseline, kicks it back out. Mundy on the drive, and he loses the handle, and it'll go back to Lee Academy.
Substitution for Notre Dame Prep, Gerald Marshall. He's into the game.
So Notre Dame still in that 2-3 zone. They get it in the pocket, yep. Thought about a 3, nothing there. Cross-court pass to Foster. Kicks it back. Back to Foster again. His 3-point shot is up. No good. Nice rebound by Ba, and he goes up on the other side. He goes up again, and he gets the bounce. So Lee Academy goes up 5. Marshall with the ball. They look to make a move, nothing there. Back to Monday again. He thought about it. Back to Marshall. Nice take by Marshall. He's unable to finish, but a nice follow by Tap. Oh, and a nice take there by Lee. And Robinson on the other end with a nice follow. Tip dunk.
Notre Dame prep foul 15. Tyree Robinson, that's his second personal team foul.
So Foster, after that dunk, was on the attack. He's able to collect a foul. First free throw is good.
Into the game for lead number 1, Aaron Kalinsky, number 14, Stefan Zenjovic. Travis Charles, number 30.
3 minutes, 7 seconds left in the second half. Lee Academy 61, Notre Dame 57. Second free throw is good. Back to a 5-point lead. Foster out of the game. Shot is up, no good. Lee Academy collects the rebound. Claxton out. The 13 for straight off for 3, no good. Tapped around. Tap comes up with it. Dribbling around. Marshall thought about a 3. He goes baseline, goes up. Gets the foul. Unable to complete the basket though. First free throw is good.
Gerald Marshall left the line for Notre Dame Prep in the game for Notre Dame Prep 10, KJ Pritchard. In the game for lead number 2, Charles Foster.
Second free throw is good. The lead is now 3. Claxton with the ball. Three-point try is up, no good. Follow putback up is good by Lee Academy's number 14, Zenjovic. Number 10 with the ball. Goes behind the back. And Lee in a man-to-man. Marshall calling for the ball. They get it to him. Spin move. Shot is up, and he draw the foul, but he's unable to hit the shot. He'll go to the line to shoot 2 free throws.
14 fouls on Lee. The foul was on 11, Boubacar Diallo.
First free throw is good.
Diallo at the line, 33. Gerald Marshall of Notre Dame Prep, 1 shot left.
Second free throw is good. Cuts the lead back down to 3. Notre Dame applies some pressure. Zenjovic back to Claxton. And it's near steal by number 10. So Notre Dame doing a good job applying the pressure. Almost creating the steal there. Will stay Lee Academy ball though. Notre Dame will apply the pressure now coming out of this on this inbounds play. Notre Dame still in that 2-3 zone. Zenjovic back to Claxton. Foster with the ball. He drives baseline. Cross court pass. Zenjovic from the corner for 3. No good. Ball comes loose. Ball fought for. It goes out of bounds. Be Notre Dame ball.
Notre Dame press ball. Remaining in regulation.
10 with the ball. Mundy with the ball now. Marshall has it. 45 seconds left on the clock. Shot clock down to 12. Marshall takes it in, but he is fouled on the drive.
Lee foul 13.
So it'll be Notre Dame ball on the side.
Westbrook his third. Five on the
Ball
team.
comes into Mundy. Mundy on the drive. His shot is up. No good. Rebound put back, no good. Ball tipped around. Claxton with it. Foster out.
Timeout.
And Lee Academy calls a timeout.
Full.
23.8 seconds left in the second half. Lee Academy 64. Notre Dame Prep 61.
To some fine folks. Some of the classiest people you'll ever know. George Fisher up at the front. At the admissions. Meeting, greeting, coaches, players, fans, everybody like, along with the one and only Pat Stevens. We'll mention some more names. In just a little bit. Lee Academy.
So Lee Academy to inbound. For Notre Dame, if they don't get the immediate steal, they'll try to foul. Claxton with the ball, and he is fouled by Marshall.
Notre Dame prep foul 33. Gerald Marshall, his first. Team four.
Ball comes into Foster, and he is immediately fouled. And
Notre Dame prep foul 15.
Notre Dame will have to have one more foul.
Team foul, and that's the
Oh, it's stole by Notre Dame. Marshall comes up with it. Mundy has the ball. 13 seconds left. Down by 3. And Notre Dame calls a timeout. So good defense on the inbounds. Play by Notre Dame.
let us know.
And we'll see what they come up with after this timeout.
Scores table
They may
from
see if Marshall can get a quick bucket and then foul again, or they might try a 3.
tremendous
And
shooter Julie
Lee Academy just has to defend a 3 well and not foul. They cannot foul,
Campbell
especially on the jump shot.
working the game clock and the shot clock. Carl Berman providing. Yes, thank you. Carl Berman providing updates for our internet fans on NetScoutsBasketball.com. Thank you, sir. Ian Gitchell, thank you, sir.
And number 10 to inbound for Notre Dame. Ball comes way in the backcourt to Mundy. He'll have to go the length of the court. Come over to Marshall. Number 10 for 3. No good. Rebound comes to Lee Academy. And Notre Dame came up with a good opportunity for a 3-point shot right there. Unable to hit it though.
That's Jerome Marshall, that's his second. Team 6.
1.5 seconds left in the second half. And they get it in bounce to Claxton. And he'll go to the other end and he'll shoot. The front end of a 1-and-1.
Prep foul 23. That's Jean-Pat, his first, team 7th. 1-and-1 for Lee Academy. At the line, number 1, Eric
Free throw attempt is no good. And at the end of the game, it's Lee Academy 64, Notre Dame Prep 61. And that'll do it here from Rhode Island College in Providence, Rhode Island.
Give these two teams a round of applause, and when you give these teams applause, you're also applauding all the teams that took